down and teach the line dance I Was on a Boat. So this is a 2-wall 48 count, a high beginner contra style line dance. So you will be in 2 lines facing each other in a group, and then you will actually pass each other, replace their spot, and then you'll kind of go back and forth, and it's a lot of fun. So this one is choreographed by Gwen Walker and Jenny Brown, and it's to the song I Was on a Boat That Day by Old Dominion. So let's get started with the teach, and I will go ahead and face 12 o'clock. All right, so your first count of 8 is going to be a rock, recover, cross, or what you would think of as a scissor step. So you're going to rock, recover, cross, hold, rock, recover, cross, hold. So your counts are 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Your next count of 8, you're going to diagonal step, touch forward. Right, touch, left, touch, and then go back the way you came. Right, touch, left, touch. So your counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your next count of 8 are lock steps with the brush. So you're going to go right, lock, right, brush, left, lock, left, brush. All right, so with counts, you're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your next count of 8 is going to be a right foot mambo. So you're going to mambo forward and back. Then you're going to do a left coaster with a brush. Coaster, left, brush. All right, so your counts with the mambo are 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your next count of 8 is going to be a chase turn. So you just did your brush. You're going to step, pivot half turn to face 6 o'clock, step the right foot forward again. And then from there, you're going to step forward on the left and do a toe with the right toe, step back on the right with the heel. All right, so with counts, after you did the brush, it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight stays on the right, it's just kind of a heel touch. Your final count of 8 facing 6 o'clock, starting with your left foot, you're going to hop out and then in. Out, out, in, and then you have 4 hips, right, left, left. Weight ends on the left, so you can restart the dance on the right with that scissor step. All right, so the counts for the out, out, in is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you are ready to dance. So let's put all of our counts together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Scissor and hold, scissor and hold. Forward touches, back touches, then right lock, right brush, left lock, left brush, mambo forward, coaster with the brush. Step, turn, step, forward toe, back heel, out, out, in, hip, 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 hip. And then you do it again. All right, so again, remember contra style, you'll be passing each other. And then there will be one restart on wall 3. So you'll dance wall 1 and 2 facing 2 will be the back. When you come back to wall 3 facing 12 o'clock, you'll do 2 8 counts, and then you'll restart the dance. So you'll do your scissor and hold, diagonal step, touch, diagonal and back, and then you'll restart from the top. And that's your only restart, no tags. So go ahead and watch the demo video and have fun dancing I Was on a Boat.